suppose the most common misconceptions about laser eye surgery are that it hurts, that it's dangerous, and that it's expensive. If we take those in turn, I really think we can dispel those misconceptions. So the first is that laser eye surgery is extraordinarily gentle on the eye, particularly with the technology that we have access to at Custom Vision Clinic. So we're using the Zeiss Vision Max for our LASIK laser eye surgery treatments to create the flap, and for our smile laser eye surgery treatments to undertake the whole treatment. The Zeiss Vision Max very gently docks onto the front of the eye, but it's curved and it's only very, very gently holding the eye. And this means that our patients are thoroughly comfortable just with the magic of anaesthetic eye drops. Now, we all know that our eyes are exquisitely sensitive. We've all had the experience of a little bit of dust coming onto the eye, and we're aware of it, we feel it. And this is because there's so many nerve endings right there on the surface of the cornea. What that means is that if we put an anaesthetic drop into the eye, we've immediately negated and nullified, stopped all those nerve endings working. So just with the simple installation of an anaesthetic eye drop, we can touch the surface of the eye, and that exquisitely sensitive structure is numb and there is no pain. We use a little spring just to very gently hold the eyelids during the treatment, but after 30 seconds people just stop feeling that. I ask my patients just to listen to my voice and I lead them through it step by step. The smile laser eye surgery, the laser takes just 30 seconds, and it takes just a couple of minutes to slide out the lens of tissue, and then the procedure is complete. So we're talking about an incredibly comfortable, gentle journey with absolutely no pain. The next common misconception is that laser eye surgery is dangerous. And really, that argument is best summed up by considering the risk of infection. We know that with modern laser eye surgery, the risk of infection is 1 in 20,000. We've taken that to an extra level at Custom Vision Clinic. Every single instrument we use is single-use disposable. It touches the eye and then it goes to recycling. And we use a separate set of instruments for each eye for each patient, putting them on strong antibiotics as soon as we finish the procedure, and within a few hours the eye has healed. Contrast that with the risk of infection after contact lenses, where we know the annual risk is 1 in 3,000. So that's an ongoing risk, and of course the risk accumulates over time. Finally, laser eye surgery is expensive. Well, if it's going to be done well, to the highest possible standard, with the best possible care, it is an expensive undertaking. However, what we're going to achieve is freedom from spectacles and contact lenses. And of course, good fitting spectacles are expensive, especially for higher prescriptions. Contact lenses carry an ongoing cost. And if you get a complication related to contact lenses, the cost to you may be enormous. And at St James Hospital in Leeds, where I undertake NHS work, we see over 300 contact lens related infections a year. And some of these infections are so severe that it has a major impact on that individual's life. And so in that context, the investment that an individual is making in having their laser eye surgery to improve their eyes and improve their quality of life is really money well spent, especially if you contrast it with the investments that we all make when we invest in a holiday to enjoy our free time, when we invest in a car to make transportation easier. And in light of those investments, I think that the money spent on laser eye surgery can be some of the best money that you ever spend. Do please take our eye surgery self-test. It's fun and moves along nice and quickly, so it won't take much of your time at all. And it will give you an idea of your possible suitability for treatments, and hopefully encourage you to take the next step so that we can assess you here at the clinic. If you book in for a consultation with me, we will be able to go into much more depth about the health of your eyes and the ways in which we can improve your vision and improve your quality of life.